Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Working on my Honda S2000 today. So right now I'm working on the rear windshield. You can see the rear windshield is completely faded. This is plastic. You can see it's not glass, so there's no visibility at all, so it's all faded. Now let me show you from the inside. It's kind of hard to see through the windshield. You can see no visibility at all. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna spray some water on here, wipe down all the dirt that was on here first. So I'm gonna clean it as much as I can, wipe all the dirt off as much as I can before I start polishing it. I wiped it down already. I wiped it dry. For the compound I'm using is the 3D compound right here. This one is for the headlight. I believe it works for the plastic windshield too, because the headlight is also plastic. So I'm gonna put some on the wool first, on the pad here. I'm gonna use the wool side pad on this side, and I'm gonna use the foam pad on the other side to see which one does a better job. Now you can see I put some on the wool pad. I'm gonna hit it with the speed of 1 right there. Now you can see that's just one time running through the windshield, and you can see it's a lot more shinier than the other side. You can see the other side is fading, still fade, and you can see this side it's a lot more clear. So I'm gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna keep going till it's completely kind of shiny. You can see my wool pads here. It's all blacked because it's taken off all of the dirty stuff here. But I'm gonna try to hit it one more time, get it a little bit more shinier. So the second time is even better. It's more shinier. Now you can see this side I have not done anything yet, but this side is the second time already. It's a lot better. Let me show you from the inside. It's a lot more better. This side I have not done anything yet. This side I did already. I did it twice. Now you can see there's a little bit of visibility. It's not the best, but a lot better than before. For the right side, I'm gonna use my foam pad here to see which one's better. That side's the wool, this one's the foam pad right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna hit it 2 times. I'm gonna hit it 2 times, and then after that, I'm gonna hit it with the, I'm gonna wipe it down with the invisible glass on both sides to see which one does a better job, either the foam pad or the wool pad. Now I'm gonna start hitting the right side with the foam pad here. You can see the first time, that's just the first time hitting it with the foam pad here. I'm gonna do it again to see which one's better. To me, they kind of look the same. The wool side and the foam side, kind of the same job. So I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna do it the second time.
Alright, there you go.
There you go. You can see that is both sides now. I believe the wool side is a little bit better. You can see the word right here is more clear. Now you can see this side is a little bit foggy, but it's almost as good as the wool side. Now let me show you from the inside view. It's not the best, but it's 50% better. You can see, I can see the outside now. So I wiped it down. I cleaned the inside a little bit, makes it a little bit more clear. Now I'm gonna hit both sides with the invisible glass to see if it's a little bit more shinier. After I hit the windshield with the invisible glass wipe, I wiped it down. It gets the windshield a little bit more shinier. The surface of it is a lot smoother. I can actually see the roll cage a lot better than before. I can see the word more clear. The visibility from the inside is about 50-60% better. It's a lot better than before. It's not the best, but it's much better than before. Before I can't see it through the back of the windshield. Right now the sun is out, so it's kind of dark, can't see much, but if there's sunlight, it shines in, you can see a lot more better. But that's it to this video, guys. So if you guys are new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.